Milano, the city where it all began in 1910. And that's the name that Alfa Romeo has chosen for their new baby SUV, the B segment SUV coming in 2024. But was this the right name for the right car? What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the news has been all over the place, guys. I didn't want to make a video on this right away because everybody was covering this. Everybody was waiting for the name Milano. And now we have it here today. We have the nameplate for the Italian automaker's first sport urban vehicle. But I'm here to discuss on if Milano is the proper name. Now, this is not me being salty because I got it wrong. A lot of us got it wrong. We honestly thought Alfa Romeo was going to call it the Venero. Now, that was something that everybody ran with, even with their teaser showing us the coordinates. It pointed to where that was on the geographical map, and we've been talking about that name for the past year. Now, that sounds better and it flows better as a BSUV, right? Back in 1910, this is where it started, in the city of Milan. Now, Milan, Italy has always coincided with Alfa Romeo. We know Modena is where Maserati resides, and we know Maranello with the prancing horse and Ferrari. But Milan was always Alfa Romeo's. And this Milano name has been carried over from a previous nameplate. You guys remember the Milano back from their rear-wheel drive 75 sedan that was sold in North America? It was a BMW 3 Series competitor, and it had a legendary Busso V6. But now we're coming to a BSUV. Now, this is big for a few reasons. Obviously, the name is heavyweight, but again, this is going to be completely different from what Alfa Romeo has ever put on the market. This will be available in a 100% electric version, and is Alfa Romeo's return to the B segment. According to the leaks, there's going to be a whole new DNA when it comes to the exterior and interior styling, and is reaching a new customer base. Now, Gianfilippo Imperato, CEO of the Alfa Romeo brand, comments that, in quotes, Alfa Romeo Milano, which will be launched in 2024, completes a product portfolio that not only satisfies the desire of all of our fans, but in a symbolic welcome back. For example, those Alfisti who currently drive Giulietta or Mito models. They have been waiting for a new Alfa Romeo in this segment for a long time to remain faithful to their favorite brand. Now, he also says that the new Alfa Romeo Milano is also a welcome greeting to all those looking for a unique driving experience and unmistakable Italian design in this segment. This car represents another milestone in the brand's transition to electric power. Furthermore, like the Tonale model, the Alfa Romeo Milano will have an important task of further strengthening Alfa Romeo's global presence. Now, almost nothing defines the identity of a car manufacturer more than its brand logo, and since its foundation in 1910, the Alfa Romeo coat of arms has included two symbols representing Milan: the cross of the historical symbol of the capital of the northern Italian province, and the snake, which represents the noble Visconti family, which played an important role in historical Milan. Now, for more than 60 years, from 1910 to 1972, the word Milan has really been a part of the logo. Until 1918, it was accompanied by the acronym Alfa, which stood for the original name Anonima Lambrata Fabbrica Automobili Company. Now, in 1919, Alfa was replaced by Alfa Romeo. Milan plays a crucial role in fashion, design, and music, and Alfa Romeo chose Milan as a symbol to open a new, exciting, and bold chapter in its history. Like the model, the names Stelvio and Tonale, which refer to two passes in the Italian Alps, the name Milano is also a tribute to the brand's roots. The ambitious objective is to spread the unique values that have always distinguished Alfa Romeo throughout the world, which is why I'm still conflicted on such a historic and heavy-weighted name all being put on the shoulders of a BSUV that we're not exactly sure if he will even make it here to North America. Now, the name is great, don't get me wrong, but man, for such a heavy name, why not put it on a sports car? Just like the 33 Stradale and how special that was for a supercar, maybe a mass production coupe, like replacing the GTV nameplate or anything for the Milano, would have been a great choice as well. Again, with such a great name behind it, you would think that they're putting every single blood, sweat, and tear that they have into this project to really hold that name's value. Now, Alfa Romeo's commercial success in 2023 is based on the commitment of a strong team whose discipline has enabled it to pursue the strategies of a long-term product plan. And this plan was decided when the Stellantis Group that was founded in 2021. Now, Alfa Romeo returned to profitability in the second half of 2021. And the basis of the long-term strategy was called from zero to zero, from a brand with, at the moment of announcement, zero electrified vehicle models to a fully electrified brand in 2027 with zero emissions. Now, we do expect a hybrid model of the Milano, but we know for sure from the CEO's mouth that there will be a 100% electric version, a BEV Alfa Romeo, and it's going to be this car here once we see it in April. So again, guys, give me your thoughts. Let me know what you're thinking about this. Do you feel as if the new B segment SUV actually, well, deserves that name? Drop those comments down below. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys check the links in the description and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bells. Now, with that said, you guys be blessed. Have a great day. And we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.